Hello guys. So basically I actually finished episode 6 Crime Count because I wanted to upload it because I'm sorry that I've been lazy. So I got it right here. Yep, right here. And what's really surprising, hold on. I actually went over to the back side of the page first time it happened, and the instances how I worked it out had the same as episode 3. We haven't had this serious since episode 1. To be honest, some things happened here, and you're probably excited because, well, the last thing. And I'm not gonna talk about it here. But what I wanted to show you, I was gonna record episode 6. I was like, I did something else, so I'm gonna show it to you. But before I do that, I've been going pretty good. I'm getting my essays done for Early College Academy. That's where I'm going to. Got some work I need to do for middle school and stuff. So, man, I don't know what to really talk about. I mean, everything's been going good. Yeah. So I'm going to show you. So, remember MakeCode? Ever made Microsoft MakeCode microbit? If you don't know what that's a microbit, it's like a mini game device. You can probably know what it is. I made a game. Well, first I made this to test stuff. This was my testing ground right here. And as you can see, basically what I made is I made the floor, then I added a life and whatever. So I just made an obstacle, and then to jump, you can't jump here, but if you run into, game over happens, and then there's a score, and it's like, ooh, I need to do something about that. So I went in and made something called random live. Now, this is version 1, I would say, of version live, of random live, because this isn't, yeah. So this is the different, but to really show, this is the recent one. So I'm just gonna show you playing it right now. Oh wait, shoot. Sorry. Forgot you can't see. Let's fix that real quick. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, is that better? Okay, sorry. So this is called Random Life. So you move your LED, just gotta remember, and every 2 seconds a new one spawns. You can overlap. You're just trying to survive the longest possible. So, as you can see here, there's an oh no, oh oops. Sorry guys, that might have been too loud for you to hear. And game over. And now this is, I didn't program this. This is an automatic thing, and thank God for it. It said score, and it shows the score based on how long you've lived for, and I got 7. My record, well, I got 2 different categories. I got the regular surviving longest, and I got 28. And then for staying in the same spot in that bottom left corner, I got 16 3 times. So let me try to beat 16. So that's basically the game. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. I'll also show you the code. So here it is. So basically, I first had to think, well, I want a character to move, right? So, well, first I needed to create 2 sprites. Now, this is basically where the game first begins. I add a life because you need one life, and then when you lose it, you're done. But I think the life actually doesn't matter here. Jeez, I think I could actually remove this life. Because I think the gameplay is going to be the exact same. Let me see. Yeah, the gameplay is the exact same. So the gameplay is the exact same. So this is it just sets your sprite as Bob. That's the character, and then you set obby 1. This is what I called the obstacles, and then this is just for here. So for the code to work, because the way I have it, if I don't have this at the beginning, because for some reason it glitches out, and then you gotta move, right? Well, let's go over the forever. Let's first go over here to this music. This is the game music. This is the main theme for Random Live. Pretty good, right? Well, it's not here. I made this one myself, so I was pretty happy about that. This is not in any particular order, but then I think we should talk about the main source of the code here. So it pauses for every 2 seconds, then it runs if Bob is touching obby 1, it's game over, and if it's not, then you change the score by 1. And then after that, it would set an obby 1 to create a sprite out of random. It would set at the Y level 4. And then it'll pick a random X value. So then, if it is game over, then it stops all sounds to stop this, and then I wanted an ending music, i.e. this, which I did have one of my own. I did do something like Gilroy here. But then I went with Mystery. Do you get that feeling? And I put it at 140 instead of 120. For all that, then I got B and A. So A is left, B is right. Then I just called. It's very easy to change the sprite. And most of this comes from the game area. Thank goodness for that. And then we finally have 2 more. Forever, I tried to make a high score system where every time, even after you do a game over, it shows your high score, but that doesn't work because, well, it's a game over. So really it just shows your current score. So if your score is higher than the high score, set high score to score, and then when you press A and B, it has an on button on the simulator, but this is a natural physical thing, it would show the string high score. So let me show you. See 0. And then see now it's at 1. The 4. No, I think there's a glitch. I just realized. Nope, okay. Never mind. But yeah, that's the game basically. And I have the link in the description, so you can go check it out if you want to. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this update. Now if one more thing though. What am I gonna do after episode 6 Crime Count for Murder Jones? Well, I do have a couple more ideas. Obviously, I'm gonna do other shows made by Liam Vickers and my favorite shows like the Rod Mix. Sorry if I said that wrong. Among Us Animations. And yeah, I'm obviously gonna do Intonation Cube, Cliffside, just tons of others that I wanted to do. And secondly, well, I'm actually going to do the trailers and teasers. Basically, everything official on YouTube. I'm not going to go to other platforms. But everything else on YouTube, made by Glitch Productions, Liam Vickers, or anybody else who works there, stuff other than the episodes and see what crimes happened there. And then of course, after everything, I'm gonna do each character. I'm just gonna put that in one video for one character, so they can be in that nice cool format. And then yeah. So thank you. I know this update has been long, but I'm gonna be recording episode 6 right here. So thank you guys for watching this update, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. See ya. See you next time, which will be tomorrow. See ya.